This tutorial will show you how to use the library's catalog to find books, ebooks, DVDs, and more. We'll also show you how to place holds on materials and how to log into your library account. From the library's homepage at library.pensacolaState.edu, hover over the Books and More tab at the top of the page and click on the PSC Catalog link. Here you'll see the search box where you can type in the author, title, or subject you are looking for. You can also limit your search to the Pensacola State College Libraries, a specific branch of the college libraries, or all 28 state colleges in the state of Florida. You can also limit your search to all types of library materials, or choose only books, audiovisuals like DVDs, ebooks, or articles. For the purpose of this search, we'll choose books and search for The Hunger Games across all of Pensacola State. Our results show that we have 16 items that meet our search, and we can determine which item we are looking for. We can see the item's titles and a little bibliographic information on each. By clicking on the Details tab, we can find out more about the item, including subject terms, a summary of the item, and page count. By clicking on the Locations tab, we can find out which campuses have the item available for checkout, and the call number to help you find it on the shelf. If the item is not available at your branch, or you'd like to pick it up at your convenience, you can place a hold on the item by clicking on the Request Item tab. If you're not logged in, click on the link and enter your borrower ID. This 14-digit number can be found at the bottom of your PSC ID or on the front page of your Spyglass. The PIN or password will be the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. To confirm you've logged in, you'll see your name appear in the top right corner of the window. Next, choose the location where you'd like to pick up your request and click Hold. You'll see that your hold has been placed successfully and it will be processed in the next day. When your item is available for checkout, you'll receive a phone call or an email through your Pirate Mail account, and the item will be held for you for 5 days. Make sure to have your PSC ID with you when you come to check out your materials. To check the status of your hold, check the My Account link at the top right corner of the window. This is where you can check the due dates on any items you may have checked out, the status of your hold request, and any messages that might pertain to your account. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us by phone, email, or in person. Find out where we are on your campus, when we're open, and the best way to contact us by using the Hours and Locations tab on the library homepage.